Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a quick iPhone safety trick that can instantly require your passcode and turn off Face ID or Touch ID, perfect for situations where you need extra security. Normally, your iPhone unlocks with your Face ID or Touch ID, which is super convenient. But when you are in a dangerous situation, that can be used against you. With this trick, you can instantly disable those methods so your iPhone can only be unlocked with your passcode. Press and hold the side button and either the volume up or volume down buttons together. This will bring up the power off screen and disable Face ID or Touch ID. You can also keep holding until you see the emergency SOS screen and then slide to call emergency services. As soon as you do this, Face ID and Touch ID are turned off. Your iPhone will require passcode to unlock, even if someone tries to use your face or fingerprint. When you trigger power off screen or emergency SOS, your iPhone immediately disables Face ID and Touch ID until the passcode is entered. It can alert emergency services if you choose to, and it can notify your emergency contacts about your location. And that's it, a quick built-in safety feature that can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.